In this video, we will show you the full tutorial of the Clipchamp video editing tool. Clipchamp is a video editing tool by Microsoft. It is a perfect video editor for beginners. You can edit YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, or anything else. To get this, visit Clipchamp's website and click on the Try for Free button. After that, choose an email address to sign up. Then verify your account. Next, you will be required to provide your date of birth and country. And then click on the Continue button. Here, you will be asked what kind of videos you will make using Clipchamp and what is your profession. And that's it. You can also get the Clipchamp desktop version from the Microsoft Store. This is what Clipchamp's homepage looks like. On left, you get navigational buttons. In the Brand Kit section, you can save brand assets like logos, fonts, and colors. In the Templates section, you get a bunch of pre-built video templates. For example, you get YouTube video intros and outro for different niches, including but not limited to gaming. You also get templates for Instagram Reels, posts, carousels, etc. For this tutorial, we're going to download a stock video from a website called MixKit. From here, you can download stock music, effects, templates, and videos. There are various categories, and we're going to choose this video from technology. In the license, you can see we can use this video for various purposes, including YouTube. Download by selecting the resolution. Back to Clipchamp, here click on Create Your First Video option. On the left, you'll be able to see a button called Import Media, click on that. And then choose the video from your computer. Once it's downloaded, you can either click on the plus icon or drag and drop the video in the timeline. You can move this pin back and forth to see the preview of the video. To use inbuilt text-to-speech, click on the Record and Create option in the left bar. Here, select the text-to-speech option. A pop-up will open. You can choose the language for the text-to-speech. And let me tell you, there are many language options to choose from. And we are going to choose English, United States. Next, you can choose the voice. There are male voices, female voices, and even kid voices. You also get different accents with each voice. The voice style lets you add character to your voice. Like, you can make it sound angry or sad or cheerful or excited. There is also an option to change the pitch of the voice. In the rectangular box, write the text that you want to convert to text. Then click on the preview icon to check the audio. This live stream, we will play GTA 5 role-playing game. If you don't like the sound, then don't worry, you can change the voice and preview again.
This live stream we will play GTA 5 role-playing game.
If you're satisfied with the audio, then click on the Save the Media button. The audio will be saved in the Media section. You can drag and drop it into the audio timeline, which is right below the video.
This live stream we will play GTA 5 role-playing game.
And the video will play like this. To add captions to the video, click on the Captions option from the right bar. Then, click on the Turn on Auto Captions button. Here, select a language for the caption. There are many languages to choose from. To filter out explicit words, check this box, otherwise click on the Turn on Auto Captions button. Within a few moments, captions will be generated. You can also make changes to the captions and it will reflect instantly in the video preview. You can also download the Captions SRT file and upload it to YouTube. Use this checkbox to hide the caption while you are editing the video. Using Clipchamp, you can use the screen recording and camera as well. For this, click on the screen and camera option. Here, you can choose the mic, if you have more than one, and the camera as well. And just like this, the camera will display over the screen recording. This option is handy for gaming or reaction videos. There are options to record camera and screen recording video separately as well. Now we will show you how to zoom in on the video. First, choose the starting point from the clip from where you want to zoom. And then place this pin over that part. Then click on the scissor icon or use the shortcut Ctrl+S. The video will be cut into 2 parts. Next, move this pin to the ending point where you want to end the zoom and split it. Now, select the video and use these points to zoom in or out accordingly. And now if you play the video from the beginning, you will see the video zooms in on that particular part. And by the end, it moves to its original size. You can also add the transition by clicking on the plus icon between 2 clips in the timeline. On the right, you can see many transition effects. But we're going to use the zoom in transition. And now if you play the video again, you will see how smooth the transition is between the 2 clips. Let's see how you can add 2 video clips using Clipchamp. First, we'll add another video in the same timeline. After that, we will split the part that we would like to use. Then we will split the video between which we want to add a new clip. Then we will drag the clip and drop it between the 2 videos we just split. As we play the video, you can see it worked perfectly. Changing the aspect ratio in one click is another handy feature of Clipchamp. There are predefined aspect ratios for Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook and Pinterest feed, and cinematic shots. Some quick access options are video fill or fit, and crop the video frame horizontally and vertically. You can also undo your selection. Then you can use this to zoom in up to each frame per second or zoom out in the timeline. There is a scroller below to navigate through the timeline easily. Other options on the right include audio, fade, filters, color grading, playback speed, transitions, and color. To use these options, select a video from the timeline. Select the option like fade and then choose the duration for the fade in and fade out. To see it applied, play the video. As you can see, the video fades in as it starts playing. In the same way, the video fades out as it comes to end. There are also many filters from which you can choose. By just hovering over the filter, you will be able to see how it will look on the video. You can also adjust the exposure, contrast, saturation, temperature, and transparency using the sliders. If you don't like it, then reset it with a click. You can change the playback speed of the video. Increase it up to 16 times or slow it. Now, let's see how to use picture-in-picture with Clipchamp. First, add the video to the top layer that you want to use for overlay. Then select this picture-on-picture option. And now if you play the video, you will see it's working fine. You can also crop the overlaid video as per your liking and save it. Now, let's see how to do a text overlay or typewriter effect in the video. Select the text option from the left. Here, you will find many text style options, but for now, we're going to use the typewriter effect. Drag and drop this text on a new layer over the video. Double-click on the text to change the content. On the right, you'll get the option to change content. You can drag the content and place it right where you want to show it. You can also change the color of the text. There are some default colors, or you can use the color palette. There is an option to change the background color and make it transparent again. You can change the size of the text using this slider. Fade is there, and there are filters that let you do practical with your text. There are many options to choose from. You can also adjust the exposure of text, which I don't think will be of any use. Once done with placement, let's see how our typewriter effect is looking. Let's play this video. As you can see, it works pretty fine. There are some stock assets that you can use. There are music and SFX sounds. Use the search to find something particular. There are some stock videos like backgrounds, subscribe buttons, green screens, etc. You can use the search bar to find something specific like subscribe button. To use this, simply drag and drop the video on your timeline. Once it finishes importing, you can see how it will look. There are some stock images and graphics as well. One of my favorites is GIFs. I like them because it adds humor to videos. You can simply search for the GIF and, just like the video, add it to your timeline. And just like this, you can nail it in your videos as well. There are some pre-built templates, and they are not just for YouTube videos. Here, you will get intros and outros. To add this to your video, simply click on the plus icon. It might take some time to import because there are many layers. Other templates include Instagram posts, Reels, Shorts. There are niche-specific templates. For example, gaming intros and outros. TikTok videos, posts, overlays, and stories. You also get different things like layouts, travel video templates, sales ads, marketing posts, and whatnot. Once the template importing is finished, the video will look something like this. To export the prepared video, click on the top right button and choose the video quality. Once the video is rendered, it will be locally saved on your computer. You can also share the video using the link. This link will open in the browser just like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.